Some drivers say that the 5,000 cash assistance from the government is not enough to cover rising fuel prices, especially since ginagastos din daw po nila yon sa ibang pangangailangan nila. And does the Malacanang see the need to implement another tranche of cash assistance on top of the fuel subsidy?
Opo, kinausap po natin mismo si Secretary Rex Gatchalian ng DSWD patungkol po sa maaari pang madagdag na ayuda sa ating mga kababayan. At ito po ang kanyang sinabi. Ayon po kay Secretary Gatchalian, sa utos na nga rin po ni Pangulong Marcos Jr. na magkakaroon pa po ng karagdagang ayuda. Unahin lang po, we have to time it, sabi po niya. At ito pa rin po ang kanyang sinabi, and I quote, "In the coming days, DSWD will continue to release cash assistance to affected public utility drivers, and this will be done in tranches." End of quote.